Thank you.
That's what everyone
It's a thing right in the museum. I'm on my. What is this?
Oh my god. That thing is not okay. It is not.
Oh my gosh, there's fish. What the heck is? Be quiet. Be quiet.
That's a bad.
Oh my gosh, look.
Yeah, I saw.
What is this?
You can. Huh?
Guys, look at this.
Did you guys see the sloth?
Yeah, I saw the.
It's so cute.
Guys, don't scream.
Sarah, the sloth is moving. He's so fast for a sloth.
For real.
Very
So cool.
Yeah. Oh, guys.
That's not a sloth. What is that?
That is a sloth. Look, that is a sloth. It says, why are I here? Please don't push your hand on the cage. Thank you.
Bats?
Back up.
This is a type of parrot.
There's also chicks down there.
Oh yeah, I see the bats.
My mom hates bats. He wasn't a bat, but
This is a type of parrot. He's like climbing
my
around.
mom hates
Guys,
bats.
look, come, look.
Is that a real coral? Oh, is that a real coral? Yeah. Dude, look at that. There's a lot of it.
That's so cool. Guys, come. Guys. Sarah, come. Look.
Oh, it's a camera. That tutorial said that thing for my content.
You're gonna be famous.
Oh, look at his
Can I touch him?
No. No, you can't. He's in a cage.
You can put your hand on the
Put
cage.
your hands in our cages.
Or we'll bite you, I think.
Mama, not like the bat.
Yeah. Sloth is interacting.
Guys, look how cute this is.
Hey, did you guys get close to that? You can step on the steps and get closer.
There's two.
Yeah, you can step up there. Do not touch them.
Do one more step. There's some macaroons.
Wait, guys, those are baby quails. The bat's looking. Oh, he's actually cute.
I'm not a big fan of bats.
No, but look, he's so cute compared to the bad one. Isn't that the cutest thing I've ever seen?
We already
go clothing.
we already saw sloths.
More like fruit bats.
Go down. This one. Way more than the boys. Look how cute they are.
Okay.
I'll go find him.
Okay.
Really cool.
Guys, there's another one. Oh, he's sleeping.
Oh, guys, there's two. There's a sleeping one and a crow. Yeah, he's sleeping.
You're gonna be famous. You wanna be famous?
Where you posted that for
Probably. I'm trying to put this one at the top. Look at this one.
Is that from the monkey?
Yeah. Look at that. He's climbing.
And
the other guy's
sleeping. That fast.
Yeah, he's so fast. Maybe that's his disability.
Yeah, because sloths are sometimes slow.
Hey, look how fast he is.
This is exercise for
Wait,
the monkey.
when we get in the car, have Boba.
Gideon or?
Nah, he's probably mom.
This is so
Yeah.
wet.
His nose is wetter than my dog's.
You take it fine, Gideon, okay? You take it fine, okay?
The sloth tried to touch me.
They're gonna find Gideon, okay?
Okay, the sloth tried to touch me. Are you saying it right? Look, he's trying to touch me. I'll reach out to the car with you. He's trying to touch me.
Buddy? Hey, buddy.
He's so cute. Adorable. I love him. I love him already.
Oh my god.
I love you, buddy. Imagine he falls. Dad, look at
That's
his.
weird
oh,
animals.
Look at this.
I know.
He's so cool. You have to show that video to your parents. You should do that for a YouTube video. You could call our visit at the zoo.
He likes people.
Oh, Dad, he likes you.
He's very, well, they're all used to people here,
I
remember?
wish you could go inside and like interact with them. And so,
Just,
Look at that,
But
look.
we can make them sick, remember?
Dad,
They can make us sick.
true.
Yeah.
And you could just, but Dad, I didn't die from it.
Oh my God.
Dying, wow. He reminds me of that one from Encanto.
Super
Oh
funny.
yeah.
Hey, buddy. He's so pretty.
What
Look
the-
at the colors of his.
They love to like, it's very social.
So they like to buy stuff?
Yeah, like the play, like almost like a dog.
Wait, it kind of looks like when a tornado caught the animals.
Yeah. That's what I was saying from Encanto.
Yeah, I remember what you're talking about.
Yeah, he's so cute. He reminds me of that bird from Up too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Kevin.
Yeah, Kevin.
Kevin.
Oh, look, he's little diamonds in the box. You're little.
Oh my gosh.
Dad, look at that thing. Yeah, look. Wait, isn't that big one?
Yeah, but your mount is nocturnal.
I should-
No, Dad, those are baby. I mean, they're not baby crayons. They're super small, little crayons.
I think you're probably gonna sleep.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, guys, bring it, come look at this one. It's up in the top. If I can see it.
He's a lot smaller than this. Dad, look. That thing is so slow. He's so fast. Look, he's already up there.
Hey, where did that?
Oh, they're going to find Gideon. I want to see the monkey again.
What's up, boy?
Well, I'll have Gideon come in.
Where's the monkey?
It's over there.
Hey, monkey.
There's one right there too.
I can't see that guy as well.
Yeah, he's right there.
Oh, yeah, Sam.
What was that noise? Is that the monkey?
No, it's probably there. Sorry, I thought that was Gideon.
Is Gideon coming?
No.
He's throwing his bowl.
Come
Come on, let's get out of here.
Watch him a little bit
The
more.
monkeys are crazy.
He's so cute. Come on, Reagan. Reagan.